And in sports, Ugandan Premier League star striker Emmanuel Okwir has retired from the international duty or the national role with Uganda Cranes, making an announcement representing my country on the international stage has been a fulfilling dream that came true. Donning the Uganda Cranes shirt always left a special feeling, and captaining our team was an absolute privilege and honor. An exciting new era for Ugandan football is coming up, with East Africa hosting the CHAN later this August and subsequently the AFCON 2027, with many young footballers coming up. That is why, having cherished all those memories, I believe it is time for me to bow out and pave the way for our talented young football players. I will always hold close to my heart the love shown to me by all the fans, and special thanks go to my family, Coach Bobby Williamson, who handed me a debut, all the successive coaches thereafter, with whom we created memories together through thick and thin, and of course the leadership at the Federation of Uganda Football Association, that is FUFA. Sincerely, Emmanuel Okwir. So now that Emmanuel Okwir has retired from the national team, so what records is he holding? Well, the first one is he's holding a record of international. When you take a look at the international level, he's having the most goals for Uganda. Okwir is the all-time leading goal scorer for the Uganda national team with 28 goals in 95 appearances between 2009 and 2023. Second most appearance, that is another record, is 95 caps, placed him second in all-time appearances for Uganda, following Godfrey Walusimbi, who has 105 caps. And when you take a look at the next thing is club achievement. What has he done that stands out, that has broken a record? In Tanzania Premier League titles, Okwir won the Tanzanian Premier League 3 times with Simba SC during the 2011-12 season, 2017-18 season, and 2018-19 seasons. When we take a look at individual honors, what record is he holding individually? He is in Sekafa top scorer, Sekafa Cup top scorer. He was the joint top scorer in the 2011 Sekafa Cup, netting 5 goals. Throughout his career, Okwir showcased his talent across various clubs and international competitions, leaving a significant mark on Ugandan football. So here from Acholi TV, wishing Emmanuel Okwir happy retirement from the national duties, and I hope he continues to flourish in the club football. Thank you.